Hi everyone. In our previous session, we have discussed about the course outline of C8501 Design of Reinforced Cement Concrete Elements and Introduction to the Unit 1. We have gone through the topics like objectives of design, steps involved in structural design, types of loads acting on the structures, design philosophies, codal provisions and their specifications, working stress method, limit state method, and ultimate design methods with its merits and demerits. In this session, we are going to discuss about the problems on design of beam by working stress method. Let's get into the session. Let's see the problem. The question of the problem is a rectangular beam of breadth 300 mm and effective depth 800 mm with a cover of 40 mm to center of steel is to be designed for M20 concrete and Fe 415 steel using working stress method. Determine the area of steel if the moment due to the characteristic load is 160 kilonewton meter. In this problem, the given data are they are given the beam as a rectangular beam and their width and their effective depth is given in the question with cover value of 40 mm. The grade of concrete is given as M20 and grade of steel is given as Fe 415. They have given a moment value as 160 kilonewton meter. For this moment, we have to find out the area of reinforcement. As we know, the beam size is 300 by 800 mm and the cover value is 40 mm. Here we have written the moment as 160 kilonewton meter, which is converted in Newton meter as 160 into 10 power 3. As the given grade of concrete is M20, in working stress method we have to find out the permissible characteristic strength of concrete and permissible characteristic strength of steel. For that, we have to refer the table 21 and 22 in IS 456 to know the sigma CBC and sigma ST value. Here the given grade of concrete is M20. For that, we have to refer the table 21 permissible stresses in concrete. For M20 grade of concrete, the corresponding sigma CBC value is listed out in the table. So for M20 grade of concrete, the sigma CBC value is 7 Newton per mm square. Then for Fe 415 steel, we have to find out the sigma ST value. For that, we have to refer table number 22, IS 456, the permissible stresses in steel reinforcement. As the steel has a tension property, we have to refer the parameter tension. As the given steel is Fe 415, it belongs to H by ST category. So the sigma ST value is 230 Newton per mm square. So we have found out the sigma CBC and sigma ST value. Next we can proceed to the first step of the problem. As a first step, we have to find out the value of K. We know that the formula for K is 1 divided by 1 plus sigma ST divided by m into sigma CBC, where sigma ST is the permissible stress in steel, sigma CBC is the permissible stress in concrete, m is the modular ratio. The modular ratio formula is 280 divided by 3 into sigma CBC. So here I am substituting the value 1 divided by 1 plus the value of sigma ST is 230 divided by modular ratio formula is 280 divided by 3 into sigma CBC. Here I am substituting the sigma CBC value as 7 into sigma CBC value is 7. Finally, we get the value of K as 0.289. After find out the K value, we have to find out J value. The value of J can be found from the formula J is equal to 1 minus K by 3. Substituting the value of K as 0.289, we get 1 minus 0.289 divided by 3 will give the value of J as 0.904. And the next step is we have to find out the parameter Q. So the value of Q can be found from the formula Q is equal to sigma CBC divided by 2 K into J. The value of sigma CBC is 7 divided by 2 into the value of K is 0.289 into the value of J is 0.904. By substituting this value, we get the value of Q as 0.914. As they have given the moment value as 160 Newton per mm square, for the given section, cross section value of a 300 by 800 mm, we have to find out what is the moment value for the given section. For that, here we are going to find out the value of moment for the given section. M is equal to 0.914, that is the value of Q, into breadth of the section is 300 and the effective depth is 800 square. Substituting this value, we get M is equal to 175.49 into 10 power 6 Newton mm. Here we have to remember all the values were substituted in millimeter. So we get the value first 175.49 into 10 power 6 Newton millimeter. The millimeter can be converted into meter and the Newton can be converted into kilonewton. By converting this value, we get 175.5 kilonewton meter. So the value of moment is greater than 160 kilonewton meter, which is given in the question. And we have found out the value of K, J, Q and M. Next, in the final step is we have to find out the value of steel. So for that, we have to use the formula B x square divided by 2, which is equal to M into AST D minus X. So for finding out the value of X, we are in need to find out the neutral axis value X. So MR, that is moment of resistance, is equal to B into X sigma CBC divided by 2 D minus X by 3. The value of moment is 175.5 into 10 power 6, which is equal to breadth of the section is 300 into X, the unknown parameter, into the sigma CBC value is 7 divided by 2 into the value of effective depth is 800 minus X divided by 3. By resolving this equation, we get the value of X is equal to 231.2 mm. Now we can substitute this X value here in this equation, B x square divided by 2, which is equal to M into AST D minus X. The value of B is 300 into X is 231.2 square divided by 2, which is equal to, the M represents modular ratio. The formula is 280 divided by 3 into sigma CBC. 3 into sigma CBC value is 7 into AST into the value of D is 800 minus the value of X is 231.2 mm. By solving this equation, we get the value of AST as 1057.49 mm square. So finally, the area of steel reinforcement is found. And the next problem is A reinforced concrete beam of size 250 mm by 500 mm is provided with 3 bars of 10 mm diameter and a cover of 50 mm. So here the given cross section is 250 by 500, that is breadth is equal to 250 and depth is equal to 500 with 3 bars of 10 mm diameter and cover value of 50 mm. The beam is subjected to the moment of 30 kilonewton meter and the grade of concrete and steel used is M20 grade and Fe415 steel. Here we have to find out the stresses in concrete and steel. As we solved in previous problem, here we are going to write the given data. The given cross section is B is 250 and the overall depth is 500 and the cover value is 50 mm, which is written as D dash. With the value of capital D and D dash, we can find out the effective depth value. For that, we have to write the formula small d, that is effective depth is equal to overall depth minus cover value, which is equal to 500 minus 50, we get 450 mm. In our problem, they have given the number of bars as 3 of diameter 10. With that value, we can find out the value of AST. 3 into pi by 4 into 10 square, which is equal to 235.6 mm square. They are given the moment value as 30 into 10 power 6 Newton mm. They are given a M20 grade of concrete and Fe415 steel. For M20 grade of concrete, the sigma CBC value is 7 Newton per mm square, which is arrived from the table 21 of IS 456. Here the M20 value, the corresponding sigma CBC value for M20 grade of concrete is 7 Newton per mm square. Then for Fe415 grade of steel, the sigma ST value is 230 Newton per mm square, which is written from the table 22. So with that known value, we have to find out the modular ratio. M is equal to 280 divided by 3 into sigma CBC. So 280 divided by 3 into 7, we get 13.33. And our first step is we have to find out the value of neutral axis. So that we have used the formula B into x square divided by 2, which is equal to M into AST D minus X. So the value of B is 250 into x square divided by 2. So the value of x is unknown, which is equal to the value of modular ratio is 13.33 into AST value is, we have find out the AST value as 3 into pi by 4 of 10 squared is 235.6 mm square. So 235.6 into 450 minus x. By substituting this value, we get x is equal to 94.5 mm. After finding the actual neutral axis depth, we have to find out the critical neutral axis. The formula for critical neutral axis is xc is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus sigma st divided by m into sigma cbc into d, which is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus sigma st value is 230 divided by m value is 13.33 into sigma cbc value is 7 into effective depth is 450 mm, which is equal to 129.89 mm. As the value of x is lesser than xc, it is classified as under reinforced section. Then we are going to find out the stresses in concrete. So the formula for to calculate the stress in concrete, M is equal to sigma cbc divided by 2 into b into x d minus x by 3. Here in our question, they have given the moment value as 30 into 10 power 6, which is equal to sigma cbc, that is the parameter that we are going to find, that is the stress in concrete divided by 2 into the value of breadth is 250 into the value of x, the neutral axis is 94.5, the value of d is effective depth 450 minus the value of x is 94.5 divided by 3. By substituting this value and solving this equation, we get sigma cbc as 6.07 Newton per mm square, and in our problem we have chosen the sigma CBC as 7, so hence the stress is safer. Then we have to find out the stress in steel. M is equal to sigma ST into AST d minus x by 3. So substituting the value of moment as 30 into 10 power 6 in Newton mm. So we have to keep in mind that we are substituting all those values in millimeter, not in meter. So 30 into 10 power 6 is equal to sigma ST into the value of AST is from the given data as 235.6. The value of D is 450 minus the value of X is 94.5 divided by 3. By solving this equation we get sigma ST is equal to 304.26 Newton per mm square. So in this session we have gone through the two problems, that is the basic problems in working stress method. Thank you.